I am taking you guys along with me today. This is one of the two farmers market that are in close proximity to us where we live. So let's go. The one before, I think I have a video on here with a different farmers market. This is a whole different one. And we recently found this one. So let's go. They had some mangoes as you guys saw. We had watermelon. They had some peanut. This is the actual of the peanut that I sowed in our garden. Make sure you guys check out that video. We started a garden. Like, this store is so amazing. You get to see all the foods, especially the foods from back home that we miss so much. One of these pineapples, I am literally starting the process of growing it. So let's see how that goes too. Here they have some herbs and spice. He always want to weigh the stuff when we go to the store. I think that's the Sheen. Oh my god, this callaloo. I'm definitely have to go get some when I go back. They have all these beans and grains and peanuts and nuts. It's just when you go there, it's like you're in a candy store. Like, I'm a kid and I want to get everything. But it's definitely, the farmers market is one of my favorite places to go. But come along with us as we journey through this. This one is actually bigger than the one we went before. This is rabbit. I'm like, no, thank you. But yes, it's definitely vast, and the things that they have is so extensive, and they cater to a lot of cultures, and I like that. I remember one time when I was little, my mom cooked cow tongue. I never forgot that. I couldn't even eat it. And I was like, oh, why they have it here? We have some water crackers. Yes, I know I'm moving super fast, but we are pressed for time. And I'm like, let me video this and take you guys along with us. This is the Caribbean aisle. You see the jerk season, the crackers, the browning, the pickled pepper, the beans, the gungo, the aki, the kalaloo. Yes, we have some tin coconut water here. I don't really like the tin coconut water. It just tastes too sweet, like they add sugar. And this is the laundry section. We see some soap and some fabric softener. Definitely my favorite place to go. Just to walk around. And here I'm at the pot section. That's what I'm saying, guys. They have everything here. They have the food section, then they have the seafood section, then they have the produce section. It's so big. I did actually get one of these pots. But yes, here we have some crawfish. And we have some crab. They're still alive. I'm definitely going back here to get some seafood. Look at those crab legs. So yummy, so juicy. Like, you come here and all the recipes just start flowing in your mind what you can create. And that's why I love to come here. But these are all the fishes at the other farmers market. Their fish is alive, but here theirs is already dead and on ice. We have some, I don't remember what these are called. Oh my god, what are they called again? Oop, literally forgot. The green thing is sushi, I know, but I don't remember what they're called. I got one of this too. And they have so much stuff. You just go there and be spending all your money. But thank you guys for watching this video and coming along with us. Keep watching to the end to see how much money we actually spend here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think and what else do you want to see. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook at Yadi Girl Flavor. Make sure you are following me on here, and make sure you follow me on Twitter at Yad Girl. And where else can you follow me? I'm also on Chef now. If you're in the Atlanta area, you can order my food for delivery through there. I'm on Yelp. Leave me a review on there. Like, there's so many places to follow me. But this is the pot that I got. Did I need it? Not really, but and that's why I really don't. I like going there, but then I'm like, I don't want to go there unless it's necessity. But here we are, the shopping around, and we're about to go to the checkout line. Here we are at the checkout line and getting ready to head home. And we spend about $150 something for all of the stuff you saw here. It has a Vietnamese name, so it's Vietnamese owned. They also have a small food court as well.